Hello guys, welcome to my channel Food Art and Living. So today I'm going to share with you Sheera recipe. So let's get started. Here are these ingredients. We need half cup of semolina or Rawa, half cup of sugar, 1.5 cup water, half cup ghee or clarified butter, pinch of food color, yellow food color, eight to 9 cashews and almonds, half teaspoon of green cardamom powder. So let's start cooking. Let's start with roasting the Rawa. Take a pan, heat the pan, add half cup butter. First let the ghee melt completely, then we will add Rawa or semolina. Roast the Rawa till turns golden brown in color on low to medium high flame for 15 minutes. Stir it properly. The texture of Sheera depends upon how well the Rawa is roasted. So once the Rawa is roasted properly, add sugar, mix it properly. Then add water. Add food color. Stir it properly again. Now add green cardamom powder, some dry fruits. Mix it properly and cook it for 15 minutes on medium flame. Keep stirring while cooking the Sheera. So our Sheera is ready. Take it out in a bowl and serve with some dry fruits. So enjoy Sheera. Thank you so much for watching my videos and keep watching. Thank you so much.